Good morning friends, myself Niranjan and you are watching the channel Quest. Today is 31st October which is celebrated as National Unity Day in India, that is called Rashtriya Ekata Divas in Hindi. Now welcome everyone to our today's session of our regular GK series Today in History, in which today we shall recall some of the memorable events happened on 31st October in history of India and the world which all of us must know, and we shall look at those events in form of questionnaires so as to enable you to memorize easily. Before beginning, let's have today's thought. Rivers never go reverse. So try to live like a river, forget your past and focus on your future. Always be positive. Now let's start today's session of our questionnaires. Question number 1. Which Indian statesman born on this day in 1875 was the first Deputy Prime Minister of India? Answer: Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He is remembered for uniting almost all princely states in India. That's why his birthday is celebrated as National Unity Day, that is Rashtriya Ekata Divas in India. Question number 2. Which Indian cricketer born on this day in 1895 was the first captain of Indian cricket team in test matches? Answer: C.K. Naidu. Question number 3. Which Indian swimmer crossed Panama Canal on this day in 1966? Answer: Mihir Sen. He was the first Indian to cross the English Channel. Question number 4. Which Indian politician died on this day in 1984 was the first female Prime Minister of India? Answer: Indira Gandhi. Question number 5. Which Indian athlete born on this day in 1990 is the first woman to win gold medal in shooting in Asian Games in 2018 in Jakarta, who had won her first gold medal in 2008 Commonwealth Games in Pune? Answer: Rahi Sarnobat. Question number 6. Where did India won gold by beating Pakistan in 3-1 in Hockey Championship in Afro-Asian Games on this day in 2003? Answer: Hyderabad. Question number 7. Which is the world's tallest statue designed by Ram V. Sutar, that was unveiled by Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi on this day in 2018? Answer: Statue of Unity. This is the world's tallest statue. Question number 8. Which Italian politician and journalist became Prime Minister of Italy on this day in 1922? Answer: Benito Mussolini. Question number 9. Which year on this day Britain and France started bombing upon Egypt to reopen Suez Canal? Answer: 1956. Question number 10. Which Malaysia Prime Minister's 22 years rule ended on this day in 2003? Answer: Mahathir bin Mohamad. Friends, thanks for watching the video. If you feel the video is useful, then appreciate it by giving a like and share among your friends. Thank you.